Okay, so good morning for the last day of the month, of the quarter, and the week. Dixie, Euro USD, we don't see any divergences yet, so not a lot to say here. You already saw most of those charts I posted. We are pulling back from the area we were expecting to see the pullback. So now we are here. In between some big volume area, we have the next bigger volume area much lower now. We just touched more or less the 100% extension of that move down. We had this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Usually we see a fifth wave, so we should see a fifth wave. But for now, the pullback we had is not making me very happy. We should have seen a pullback up to that area more or less, or a little bit higher in this area, up to the 61.8. Why not? We could even break yesterday lows and go up there before seeing the next leg down. So concerning today, it's a little bit tricky because, as you know, we are in the end of month, end of week, end of quarter, so we can see any crazy price action. We can see Dixie really falling from there, falling hard even. When you see this chart, for example, here, the only next support I see here is 110.85, 110.85. And that's where we are going now, in my opinion, which is probably looking here, we would be landing in this area, which would be the 1-72 extension of that move down, which would push Euro USD higher, of course, and which is what's happening now. By the way, Dix is not finding bottom for now, is always looking little bit lower, but it's bought each time. So I think if we would arrive there, we can see a bounce starting, but time-wise, it's already late to see that bounce. So we could have an inverted move today, or perhaps we can see a bounce starting now, and by New York Open or something like that, another push lower. That will be tricky anyway, as I say today. Concerning the Euro USD, I just posted this chart. If we can, this area with the 20-21 daily moving average, with the daily R1 plus monthly S1 and weekly pivot together with this huge 76.40 and this monthly support, all this area is really a nice confluence, where we would see the Euro USD being able to pull back from there, here, or this one up there. Of course, if we go crazy on the London fix today, we can go much higher or much lower if we are on the downside at this time. But that's where we are now. The overall view has not changed. We have this low area in place, which is the area we have for now, that has been defined since a long time. We had this low, we took some stop under it. So this area can still be revisited even today. On a crazy pullback, it could be revisited. It could even touch the lows, not today, but anytime that can happen. But as I said before, I think we have some low in place. So that's the scenario 1. And the scenario 2 is we would go for the 1-to-1 extension of that move. And in that case, we would have to look much lower, because we would be, sorry, I'm in the wrong chart, because then we would be looking for the 100% extension of that move, and the 100% extension of this move is at 90. So that's what we will see on Monday, after the monthly quarterly close. We will know where we are. We are not struggling in this area, as you can see. That's where we are, in between those fib and the 78.60 fib. We touch this area. We could land there if the fourth quarter keep on going lower, which is the scenario 2. So we still have those two scenarios, low in place here, and we go up. The close of this quarter will tell us a lot on Monday. So Monday there will be a longer update of what happened on this close. So it will be very important to look very well at this close Monday. If we close way above the 76.40 above there, that would be very nice, because then we would have an option for the scenario 1 on the upside still alive. If we close really under it, that would open just and call for this 100% extension there. If you have any question, just let me know. I went a little bit fast this morning because I was late on this. You see, we have the same thing here. I was late on the on the update. I will stop the video for now, and then if you have questions, I can answer them for you.